Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the rings that I finished. These are just two of them. You can look, they're very smooth. This edge is rough. Of course, that's going to be turned down on the lathe. So different sizes, and we'll line them up. What I wind up doing is I cut all the pieces I need with this wedgie sled. Thanks to Jerry Bennett and Tom for their instructions. I glue it up, put it in a ring. It's very rough right here. And so once these dry, I can run them through the drum sander and then they'll be pretty good. So I don't have to do any extra sanding by hand for the joints. It comes out with the wedgie sled perfect, and I've had yet to have any come apart, show gaps or anything. I start by laying this out on a piece of tape. I'm not sure if you can catch all that. And then what I do is I just fold it up. When I fold it up, it winds up going into a circle, which these are, and then I clamp them. It takes a lot of time away. I don't have to use or waste so much time, I should say. Works way easier. I used to try to do these one at a time when they're for the segmented pieces, and it took forever. Just putting them on some tape, making sure they butt up. I put a straight edge so they're all the same amount out, so they're equal and they all line up. Then it's just a matter of go ahead and sanding them down. So that's the next part. I'll have a whole series of the way I do my segments, but hopefully you can get something out of it. If you like the segment, and there's a lot of guys out there, if you start getting involved with it, they're 100 times better than me, but at least it'll give you an idea of how I start to make my things. For me have to be easy, and that's that. Hope you enjoy.